Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to Web Biz Market. In today's video, we will be talking about 5 tips on running a small business on a budget. Running a small business is like walking a tightrope between cutting costs and boosting results. But fear not, I've got a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this balancing act. We'll cover everything from DIY strategies to savvy outsourcing tips, all aimed at managing your business on a tight budget without sacrificing growth or productivity. Now, let's get started. Number 1, DIY strategies. Let's kick things off with a money-saving masterstroke, doing it yourself. Learning new skills and tackling tasks that you'd normally outsource can slash your overheads. And with platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offering tons of free or low-cost courses, there's never been a better time to upskill. Say you're a small business owner looking to boost your social media game. Why not take a course on social media marketing and carve out some weekly time to manage your accounts? Remember, start with one platform, nail it, and move on to conquer the rest. And don't forget about freebies like webinars and online communities. They're goldmines for insights and support. Number 2, outsourcing. The secret weapon of budget-conscious bosses everywhere. But before you start delegating, choose wisely. Pinpoint those time-sucking tasks that don't directly rake in the dough. Think admin, email triage, data entry, you name it. By offloading these to-dos, you'll free up precious time for high-impact activities like strategy sessions and customer connections. Picture this: a small retail business owner drowning in inventory chaos and customer queries. Now, picture a virtual assistant swooping in to save the day by handling these tasks and leaving the owner free to focus on important matters like product expansions. And where can you find this helping hand? Look into freelancer platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or hey, even the college kid next door. Number 3, home office. Remote work isn't just a pandemic perk, it's a budget boss's dream come true. Ditching the office lease for a home setup can save you a small fortune, especially if your business leans towards services or is just starting. But remember, setting up shop at home isn't all Netflix and PJs. You'll need a dedicated workspace, free from household distractions, and kitted out with all the tech essentials. Just imagine a freelance designer swapping pricey office digs for a home office haven, with cash saved on rent, utilities, and that dreaded commute. Say hello to productivity paradise. Number 4, software. The right software can supercharge your productivity without burning a hole in your wallet. Lucky for us, there's a buffet of business tools offering free or dirt cheap subscriptions. But before you commit, take advantage of those sweet trial periods, usually around 30 days, to test drive the goods. From email marketing mavens like MailChimp to project management powerhouses like Trello, there's a tool out there for every budget. Just ask any e-commerce professional how they use free email marketing services to woo customers without breaking the bank. Number 5, cash flow checkups. Cash is king, right? So, let's keep it flowing with regular expense checkups. Every quarter, review your financial statements to sniff out where you can save money and streamline spending. Review bank statements, invoices, and receipts, then manage your expenses. Next, spot the cash guzzlers that aren't pulling their weight, whether it's sky-high software fees or that fancy office espresso machine. And flex those negotiation muscles. Scoring a better deal on essential services can add up to serious savings. As a savvy small business owner, your goal is to slash operational costs for a cheaper alternative. That's a wrap on our budget-friendly business bootcamp. Managing a small business on a shoestring budget might sound daunting, but armed with these DIY hacks, outsourcing smarts, home office know-how, software savvy, and cash flow finesse, you're ready to take on the world. So go forth, fellow entrepreneurs, and conquer, all without breaking the bank. Your budget-savvy future awaits. Thanks for watching Web Biz Market.